Right, time to build myself an Arkanaut Admiral. So this should hopefully be quite an easy build, seeming as it's a small kit, but famous last words, let's start up and running. So to begin with, we need parts 1 and 2. Which is this, and it looks like a bit of a leg. Yeah, over here. No, I'm a bit wrong. I love these. I love these Caradron overlords. Just think, I've probably said this so many times, and you're probably bored of me hearing how much I love these. But I can't help it because anything at all that is linked to, in even a minor way, to the Dawizar. No, not the Dawizar. The Dawi, not the Dawizar. Oh my goodness, no. The Dawi, I absolutely adore. And I am 100% convinced still that the Slayer engineer, is it Malikson, was the founder of the Caradron Overlords. Don't care if that's true, that is my fluff and I am sticking to it. That is my interpretation. Right, so this leg is popping on this side. Good, it's a nice easy fit, that. There's also some rather awesome versions of Kill Team coming out. The reason I bring that is because they're going to have Caradron, no, not, gosh, what is wrong with me? Leagues of Votann versus, let me get number 3 out, Brood. So again, you know, I love how the Caradron, the Caradron and the Leagues of Votann just sort of, you could literally convert one to be the other, and I don't think anyone would complain. Alright, let's have a look here. Make sure that's cleaned up a little bit there still. Anyway, I love these Arkanaut suits. Just brilliant, aren't they? If I get time, I kind of feel that what I should do is build myself a wonderful sky ship out of whatever I can find, and do a Jason and the Arkanauts themed. What would be the dwarven version of Jason? Maybe Jensen potentially, or Jansen maybe, if I went that way. Number 4. Jansen and the Arkanauts. I mean, I've got some Tomb Kings of Kemna models. I could have them fight. Go on, pop on it. There, you've got to push it a bit so it clips all the way in. Like so. And then I've got 5, 6 and 7 I need. So 6 here. If you need to, just cut that one a bit further from it and then it'll be easier later. So 5 and 7, let me find. this 7, this little valve. And then the backpack. How did I miss that? Number 5. Get the little bits off this now. As I said, it was so much easier cutting this a bit longer and then tidying it up later. You can see here there's a tough little bit to clean up. So just be careful with it. Okay, and then this is just gonna pop onto the back. Oh, no, it's not. Wait, this tiny little bit. Don't forget that. Oh, I hate these tiny little bits that you have to kind of carefully put in without dropping and losing. Come back. Right, and then very simply goes on here. Right, and now we need number 9 and 10, which is his Aether shot pistol, I'm going to assume, based upon my reading. Oh, volley pistol according to the instructions. Gosh, I love these. Love these guys, they got such cool weapons. And I was reading my latest issue of Stormbringer, and the different clans within the Caradrons, and one of them sounds very traditional, like it's still got a lot of links to the Slayers, the Fire Slayers. I want to read more into that because it just, as I keep saying it, and I'm going to keep saying it until it becomes true, but basically it kind of works well with my headcanon about how the Caradrons must be the old world dwarfs who escaped on skyships. And oddly enough, having a group of Caradrons who still venerate all the things in particular, that works really well in some cases for my headcanon. I love a bit of headcanon. I know it's not true. I know it's just my silly little dreams. Number 8. But I don't want to believe that the old world just got destroyed and there was only Sigmar left. I want to believe that enough refugees escape through rifts and realm gates opening. It doesn't have to be true, it just has to make you happy. Get that in the right way around. There we go. Side. Then number 11. Number 12. Simple. And then all we need to do with this is pop it on its base and we are done. And there we go. We have our Arkanaut Admiral, nice and simple to put together and really cool looking. There we go. All done. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time.